Hi, I'm Trunal, CEO of Clazar. Clazar helps software companies list, transact, and scale across cloud marketplaces like AWS. How to get started selling on AWS Marketplace? Let's walk through the entire process step by step. To start selling on AWS Marketplace, you will go through few straightforward but critical steps as outlined in the AWS Marketplace Seller's Guide. I'll leave the link to the official guide in the description. But step 1 is registering as a seller. Go to the AWS Marketplace Management portal and click on Register as a Seller. You'll enter your company information and accept the AWS Marketplace Seller Agreement. Step 2 is provide tax and banking information. If you plan to sell paid listings, you will need valid tax forms. A W-9 if you're a US entity or W-8 if you're international, and the bank account that can receive AWS disbursement. Step 3 is choosing your product type. You can list an AMI, container, SaaS application, data product, or even professional services on the AWS Marketplace. Each product type has unique packaging and technical requirements. Step 4 is building your product listing. You'll define the title, product description, pricing model, categories, and upload assets like logos and screenshots as well. Step 5 is submit it for review and publish. AWS will validate your technical setup and policy compliance before approving your listing. Once approved, it goes live and becomes discoverable to millions of AWS customers. Here's what to remember: always use a dedicated company AWS account, not a personal one. Complete tax and banking information before you start building the listing. And last but not the least, begin with one focused product and expand once you are comfortable with the process. That's the full process to get started on selling on AWS Marketplace. It's structured, straightforward, and gives your software instant reach within AWS's global customer base. If you still have any questions, work with Clazar implementation expert to launch on AWS in a couple of weeks or less.